Bilum blami, name Bilum blami and Marit Bilum. So kala, son kala, talk place in we call him Temel Yabawi. Talk place name son kala. Black come out la mad, red, this the red, come out la the sit ple diwai. Red ya. White time mibla katim mibla okin Bilum la skin gumba. Time mibla sigarabim kama white. So white stavo sem. Skin gumba. This the red, white, black ya mad. Yellow turmeric. Mibla smash him long. When I'm plastic, I put one side, the party when I'm finish, smash water, put him water in the water. Put on the khana so mibla boil him come up yellow. Marit Bilum mibla. Story belong am all same. Young man marry, time to blow married. Papa mama by giving Bilum la marry. Papa mama blow man. By giving Bilum la marry. Time to blow married finish. Not giving Bilum la marry. Ta money come back in, come kiss him one Sunday na marry la talk. Man am sabe finish the same. Mary am got like la narablo man. I'm now by to block some block thinking but love and stop and by heart can. To block come back can, stop on them can, and by to block stop them. Okay, Bilum story blum all same. And by stop them na time man or married, die. Bilum yam bemne na bla rausim. No gat sol. And by stop them. Suppose married die. Man to bene na brausin sa Bilum. No gat them basta bem bangama bil side blouse na basta bosem. You go ina bosem community logo mosem mani married blame die na Bilum ya manga mosem sta lombla time penis. And bologe disi sing tumbuna sing. And now with community kerap, okay, tumbuna sing laus, 2 light morning, and borausin so got one me by Bilum stabosem. Then la tromem, adlem tromem, but stabosem, and memory blangem. And story bless a Bilum. I must let Bilum walk him stable place, you go, no way la mibla salim, Bilum na, kisimoni. I threw them la treble way come. Osen I look him. All Bilum mibla walk him, some label logo molly come up so all blood was them long time mibla walk him, had mibla treble way come. So me talk thank you, Emily, and the man blanc, Michael Koimo, la foundation. Provide him ticket midla one them to boy midla mibla come. Mibla can mibla na stalla we go one ma bengwara mibla come straight direct must be. Mibla kala blame bla munduku come la again transit so mibla kala bla PNG kerabla place na direct must be. Silibla place come silibla must be. Deslem sambla en way mibla come mibla pain mat. Na mibla logo mosem yes mibla oge money la Bilum. Mibla kan na mibla pain mosem yes mibla pain plan the optro la must be. Na Bilum ya mba kamied. But no got a blank to. Me marry me say boy come long, this like no program lol Bilum. Me bin go SME lele, me never look kind man yosem na me all in stab na me look still must be. Me go back la weekend la second when me blow Bilum basket competition me been come second but me never look kind man yosem. Na time me am calling name me la come long me proud trosem. Me go look me bastab nerve level ke now. Also, I make a big proud more because money me look him like this little program even move long. I go lay less me and me come back and basket Bilum competition one kind of same. Me come the must be and me look the same. Yes, me come under high level or day. But Bilum to sell the same. Suppose blame me one blessed thread me carry oh and nervous story. I told Bilum me carry and block 20 plus or what I one mama like 20 plus mix small Bilum block cousin. Money me almost to sell money in a blame, but me carry on and walk him can mama la place can.
Firstly, I'd like to say thank you to National Cultural Commission as the sponsor of the National Bilum Contemporary Bilum and Arts Festival, as well as the NCDC, National Capital District Commission, and Powers Backup for coming up with that initiative. it's a great opportunity for our mothers from the village to come and showcase their handcrafts, woven crafts, bilums. So as part of our ongoing commitment to support women empowerment and also preservation of our cultural heritage, we supported the mothers to come attend the National Contemporary Bilum and Arts Festival. And I usually go to the village, and they always ask me to buy bilums from them. I bring them myself, but this time there's a village up in the upper Karawarianga Sipik border called Yaramat Village. The mothers actually did a video and sent it to me and my husband, asking us if we could find markets for them. And we were looking for an opportunity until when I saw the advertisement for the National Contemporary Bilum and Arts Festival. I was actually the first one to register for the program. The advertisement was sent out 2 weeks before the event, which was scheduled for the 8, 9, and 10 May this year, but that didn't happen, and it was deferred to end of May, 29, 30, 31. So the Tree of Life Foundation co-sponsored the event with Envision Marketing and Business Consultants. We sponsored the mothers, 2 mothers, and 2 other male to also come with them to support setting up the market and all that. So that was how we brought them here. We had a very successful weekend. I mean, it was the first, but it was a success for us because all the bilums were sold out. And like one of the mothers said, it was something they never expected. The monies they got from the sale is just, we cannot explain. So we will put all the monies in envelopes for every mother per villages, and they'll take it back home. So that's why we are. We are happy that we've supported this cause. There were a lot of opportunities that came out during the weekend as well. We got corporate organizations interested in the Bilums. We got TISA. TISA came by, wanted sample for the TISA Bilums. You know, their logo is Bilums, so they wanted the mothers to do their Bilums in TISA color. So the green and yellow and TISA written on it. So that's a project that's already started in the village. That's already been communicated, and they're already starting on the TISA project. We've also got BPNG. They've also wanted us to do, I think, 1,000 plus Bilums for one of their events in September. So that's already communicated. So we're in June, so there's only about 3-4 months before September. So the mothers are actually working now. We also did a fashion show of the Karawari Bilum, and we've got recognition. We are now invited to attend an event in Cairns. To showcase the Karawari Bilum in a fashion show in Cairns. Yeah, and apart from them, there are a lot of SMEs that have come to source the Bilum straight from us. So we've now got markets, I think almost 10 or more than 10 markets opened up for the mothers to sell their Bilums. Looking forward to discuss with National Cultural Commission is to help us host or sponsor one of our own Karawari Bilum Festival back home in Amboin, which is the station, Amboin Station, or in one of the villages where we think we can host the event, which is a central location for everyone to come, and we can host a Karawari Bilum Festival, because just looking at it, there are about 37 villages with different styles, and the Bilums have their own significance. And so it would be good to have an event in our back home in Karawari. So we can have tourists and anyone who's interested in the Bilums, SMEs, they can go and see for themselves and hear from themselves the significance of the Bilum, and also, help the mothers buy some Bilums straight from home. Like the mothers have already said in that the Bilums are being woven and they have not been selling them. They have been there for a while. I don't know how many years, but if we can have an annual event in the village, that will be a big opportunity for the mothers to sell their Bilums. We have visitors going and attending the event so they can sell their Bilums. Yeah, we were also very happy to see the National Cultural Commission come by to our stall and grab almost 34 Bilums. And to us, it was a real blessing, because that contribution by the National Cultural Commission, they came with their boss, their CEO, Mr. Stephen, the Executive Director, Mr. Stephen Kilanda, so humble person, to come with his staff to our stall to get Bilums. 34 Bilums, it means a lot to us. It means that someone really cared for our mothers in the village. To come and buy 34 Bilums. So those mothers that he's bought Bilum for, he's blessed them. He's blessed their home. He's blessed the mother. Blessing a mother will always share the money she earns with the children, with the husband. Straight from home, Karawari to Port Moresby, and we'd like that to go out offshore. So if there is any event or anything like that overseas where we can showcase the Karawari Bilum, we'd like to work together with the National Cultural Commission to showcase Karawari Bilum overseas in the international markets, in the international shows. Especially in Port Moresby and urban cities in Port Moresby and Lae, who can afford to buy Bilums from our mothers in the village, not only Bilums, but woven handcrafts. Please, if you need to support them, you can get my contact from the National Cultural Commission or from the National Capital District Commission, so we can partner to assist, to support our mothers back home in the village, not only in Karawari, but in other parts of Sepik as well, and in other parts of the country as well. I know that in the Highlands region, a lot of mothers are weaving Bilums as well. In Morobe, a lot of mothers are weaving Bilums. Medang, let's get together and support our mothers.